We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got stock number 28449T. This is a Ram ProMaster cutaway van. It's a Ram 3500 front wheel drive. Cutaway is a chassis that does not have a back on it, so it can be attached to this application, which is a Bay Bridge box truck. As far as the vehicle goes, it's 3.6 Pentastar front wheel drive automatic transmission. I do have this set up with cruise control, power windows and locks, standard radio, cloth seats with lumbar control on it. Again, the drivetrain is a 3.6 Pentastar with a 6-speed transmission. Got 16-inch steel wheels on it. Got the Uconnect 3, so you do have access for Uconnect wire to not use your phone. Got the you can use your phone right through the radio system. Got the wide mirrors on it for better visibility around the box. Just steel wheels. As far as the box go, it's made by Bay Bridge. They're up in the Indiana area. This is a 12-foot by 6.6-inch box. This is what we call a sheet and post. It does have a slide-out ramp. It's a 30-foot by what do we got there? 30-inch by 10-foot ramp that slides out. Your back sliding door comes. Get this here. Comes on up. Step back down. Got a solid stem bumper on the back. Could back up to a loading ramp. A dock. Inside it's got the wood floor, wood sides, sliding access door into the cab. Got a 12-inch ceiling liner in this. We got a cargo light. We got grab handles. A 24 by 43-inch bulkhead door. We put 8 tie rings on it. As I step up into this truck, I'm 6 foot tall, about 6'1". I can stand up where the door is rolled up. Coming inside, I've got the sliding door. Got that locked on the inside. I can't show you that right now. But it's a nice finish on this. And we got, it's 2x6 shiplap pine floor, complete underbody coating on it, protective rear mud flaps. It's an aluminum sidewall frame construction with a bottom body wrap. Studs are going to be 16-inch on centers, so if you want to put shelving of any kind in this vehicle, there's no issue with that. You've got plenty of places to hook up. Once again, this is a 2018 Ram ProMaster cutaway box truck. It's available here at Sherry Chrysler. We're in Piqua, Ohio. The stock number again on this is 28449T. It's one of our many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry's. Give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.